ahead, Bobby.
Ready?
Yep.
Cranking.
Go for it. It's wet. It's wet there, but I don't think that's it.
Are we playing oil and hose at pouring out?
Yeah, it's wet, but
Okay, go to,
yeah, that's not it.
put your camera,
Mm-hmm.
like set it on the oil filter, facing kind of like
Okay, hold on one second. There's the light. Kind of. Trying to. Oh, go ahead.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, stop.
Found it?
We need a filter.
What did it do? Burst in the filter?
There's a dent right there. I don't know. I don't know where it came from.
But I saw it dripping onto the filter.
No, you'll see in the video. All right, guys. Well, there you go. Later. Well, we noticed, well, you see the other video, top of the oil filter was leaking. We were just thinking about when we're using the impact to take the exhaust bolts off. The wrench up top must have swung around and smacked the top of it. Not a big deal. Snagged another one. Yes, unfortunately, it's not a Mopar one. Sad, but hey, that's all right. Gets the truck up and running for now. Next time it gets oil change, we can go back to Mopar filters. But yep, we can drop it back down and start checking on everything else again. All right, later.